everyone, here's another video of cleaning my sow. I've had this since I was a high schooler. My mom bought it for me. So what I did was I poured some of this Tarnex that I got from Walmart into the container, the silver big tray, and then I poured some hot water in there. So what I'm gonna do now is just dunk the whole thing into this tray. So here we go. Here, let me lift it up a little. Turn it, angle it down. Okay, here we go. Okay. So I'll zoom up here. Right here. Just gonna watch it. Down here, no, closer, just in this here. Right. Okay. As you can see, it's not fully immersed in the solution. The most dark parts, the tarnished parts, were this side parts, like this last ring of pieces. So then I'm not as worried about like the top ones. It's more like the sides. I'm done. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah. And I'm also worried about this neck piece. Zoom in more. Yeah. Yeah. Good. I don't even know if I need to brush it. I mean, it's just coming off by itself. It's pretty good. I'll probably rinse this with water once I'm done. Turn it down. Looks pretty nice. There it is out of water. Still a little bit tarnished right there on the side. Pretty nice. I would recommend doing this outside. This smells pretty strong. I mean, it's not terrible, but it's pretty strong. Okay, I'm gonna flip it for you guys. Here's how the back looks like. It's pretty nice. Looks pretty good. Flip it again. I just want this this to be a little bit better. Maybe that's the best I'll get. Okay. Pretty good. I think that's it. Okay. Let's see. Here's the after.